let me give you an advice on trading forex or crypto, and that is don't trade unless you are adamant or have the aptitude to become a successful trader, as discussed later. This video is meant not just for the potential traders who intend to start, but for all the traders from beginner to oldies whom are able to make short-term profits, but somehow end up in losing money in the long run. Most of the persons enter into forex market for fast gains, but instead end up as a loser because they don't know that there exists no silver bullet for a monster-sized trillion-dollar forex and crypto industry. But the attitude of contentment in a trader helps accumulate huge sums of money with small profits through small-sized trades. Whilst on the other hand, greed for overnight gains through oversized trades blows your trading account on a single day. Note that you may not be greedy as a person, but few profitable trades tempt you to take oversized trades, and suddenly the inevitable occurs. So don't be misled by few profitable oversized trades, as the same lead to losing the whole capital on a single day. Next comes risk management, which is a vast subject and cannot be covered in few minutes, whilst forex trading is all about risk management. Every single trade you make in a forex or crypto entails some risk. It may be true that bigger the risk, bigger the reward, but there is a hidden threshold line, crossing which ends you up as a broke. So it is your duty to keep your risk appetite below that threshold line to some optimal position for profiting and yet survive in forex market full of sharks. You might have heard that speed thrills, but kills. So does the attitude of taking high risk for fast gains, which ultimately ends you on a losing track. You may be lucky to make profit in few trades in forex, crypto, or stocks, but ultimately it boils down to your knowledge of market fundamentals and or technical analysis in a long-term scenario. Whereas gamblers do it for fun, majority of whom end up in losing their money. But even knowledge-based traders are susceptible to taking wishful trades or do or die trades during stress moments of an open trade on a losing path or just after closing a trade with big loss. In those moments, it is strongly advised to take a break from trading, or else you are likely to lose all of your invested capital. Next comes the decision making. Logical decisions are based on knowledge, whilst emotional decisions occur on wishful thinking in moments of happiness or sadness. Rational based decisions fetch you profit or even loss, but within your calculations, whilst emotional decisions are likely to end up on an unexpected result. Note that moments of sadness after taking a loss in trade or even on matters related to family or say any other issues tend you to take revenge trades, resulting into disaster. In those emotional moments, it is again suggested that you stay away from trading in forex or crypto market. Trading in forex market is full of stress for a trader irrespective of whether the open trade is in profit or in loss. And you are most suitable to trade forex or crypto if you remain calm under stress, as you can time your entry exit of your trades as per planned strategy. On the other hand, if you panic out under stress, you're likely to take early or late entry exit in trades, thus giving up on your likely profit by exiting trade early or getting hit by a huge loss upon delayed exit. One way to keep yourself calm is by making small size trades with small leverage. Staying disciplined in trading forex and crypto is most difficult and common problem in many traders. Most traders make strategies based on their knowledge and experience, but only a few are able to follow their self-made rules. And those who do stay disciplined reap the benefit of trading forex and crypto. Further, disciplined traders only tweak their strategies after testing it on a long run, whilst those with erratic behavior make random changes to strategies every now and then. Lastly, of all the traders, about 30% of traders are profitable in Forex after 3 months of trading, and only about 7% survive for a year, which even trickles down to below 5% of successful traders over lifetime. It is so because almost all traders focus on percentage of their profiting trades versus losing trades and not on survival rate of successful traders. Irony of fate is that even most of traders with 90% of success rate in their trades end up losing their entire capital in just 10% of losing trades just because they miss out on any one or more of the characteristics in their attitude just discussed in this video presentation. So let me summarize by saying that trading forex or crypto is like surviving in a sea full of sharks for a lifetime of trading instead of catching a big fish on a single sunny day. After watching this video, if you still decide to start or continue trading forex or crypto, then look out for my future videos on how to trade forex and crypto. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified of my upcoming videos on trading forex and crypto. Thank you.